Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I have a new hack for you, and I know some of you have heard about it, but I've actually had to do it. This is from a diamond painting. This was tearing off the glue from the diamond painting, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's like really messed up. It's not the way it came, but it was starting to tear off the glue. So I heard about the parchment paper, so I cut out a nice big piece and decided to see if it actually worked. I took a big chance on that. And as you can see, it does cover it up, and believe it or not, it comes off real nice. It even comes up nicer than the original paper that they usually come with. So I'll probably be doing that to all of them. But yeah, this is also one that I'm putting in for a contest. So we'll see how this turns out. I'm going to put some crystals in there to accentuate some of the objects in the painting. But yeah, that's the hack, and it does work. So if you have any problems, just get the parchment paper, not wax paper, because that'll just tear everything out and it'll just stick really, really harshly. Okay, that's it for now. Have a great day. Namaste.